a great choice today with the 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLC. The Mercedes-Benz GLC sets the bar for the luxury SUV. A mid-size SUV that's all lean muscle and has a roomy new cabin full of style and substance. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, security system, rear window defroster, power windows, trip computer, CD player, electronic stability control, tachometer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm. Come see the car for yourself.